watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
There is something so satisfying about making your own holiday decorations. Pine cones are nature's perfect ornament, beautiful, timeless, and often free if you have trees nearby. Today, I'm sharing some creative DIY ideas to transform simple pine cones into stunning treasures for your tree. They are easy to make and look incredibly high-end. Let's get crafting. Here are 15 ways to style your pine cones. Nordic gift toppers. Create Nordic-style pieces using pine cones, wooden beads, and tags. They work beautifully as tree ornaments or unique gift toppers. Scandi mix. Combine orange slices, cinnamon bark, and sticks with pine cones. This mix is perfect for a Scandinavian or Bohemian-style home. Forest feel. Simple pine cones paired with wooden beads are classic Scandinavian decor. They bring a cozy, quiet forest feel to your tree. Rope textures. Try these cool pine cones set in rope caps with wooden beads. The texture looks awesome and adds a unique touch. Tree slice flowers. Glue pinecone flowers onto wood slices and finish with a green ribbon. These look incredibly cute and lovely. Timeless trio. For a timeless look, combine dried orange, sticks, and evergreens. This natural style will never go out of fashion. Scented decor. Fill your home with traditional holiday scents. Using orange and cinnamon adds fragrance along with lovely visual decoration. Snowy plaid. This lovely ornament features a snowy pine cone with beads and a plaid bow. You can make one in just minutes. Rustic burlap. Layer a pine cone with a dried orange slice and a burlap bow. It is a very natural piece, perfect for rustic spaces. Winter wonderland. If you are going for a winter wonderland theme, bleached or snowy pine cones are the perfect addition to your decor. Colorful wax. Dip pine cones in wax to create colorful fire starters. Hang them on the tree, then use them to start a cozy fire. Classic red. Embrace the classics with this adorable look. Simply add faux snow, berries, and a red ribbon bow for festive cheer. Blue velvet. For an elegant touch, pair bleached pine cones with blue velvet ribbons. They look adorable on trees, chandeliers, or windows. Natural glam. Mix natural and glam styles. Use a flocked pine cone, add gold bells, and finish with a large festive bow. Finally, get creative with a green glitter pine cone. Add a small gold accent and a copper stem for a glamorous look. I hope these ideas inspire you to gather some pine cones and start creating. It is a wonderful and relaxing way to spend a winter afternoon. Which project are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting!